Let's take a look at cabin 7496 on Carnival Firenze. This is a terrazza extended aft balcony. We'll go straight into your storage area here. There you see your safe. Some extra drawers at the bottom there. You'll see your terrazza robes you get with the room. But you know there's only 2 cupboards there for space. Here's your bathroom. Those doors open outwards. Be aware. Colouring is different on these because they came from Costa ships, but you've got plenty of storage shelving there. Notice there's quite a low lip, so be aware of that. There's your temperature control. You've got some hooks on the wall, or a hook there. Lovely little painting. You get binoculars in the rooms in that little black bag. And here is your fridge. Somebody left something in it. A few more shelving areas there. And here is your work desk. There are your power outlets. Hairdryer. And there is your bed. You've got a bedside light on either side. There is the TV right opposite you. Now it's interesting to note, and this is on most of the cabins I saw on Firenze, 2 USB ports on one side of the bed, not one on either side. And here is your balcony. Decent sized balcony here. This is your extended aft balcony. A couple of chairs and a chaise lounge, as it were, there, looking down over the terrazza area. Not a bad cabin. We stayed on a similar one on the Venezia for a couple of weeks. We enjoyed it, but they did have one more cupboard on that one, so I don't know why this one only has 2 storage unit spaces there. Interesting. But there you go. Cabin 7496, Firenze, and that is where it is circled in yellow at the back of deck 7. There are some secret stairs that go down to deck 5. You just go out the room and you'll see them. Or if you can't find them, your room steward will show them to you. And this is what you have in the room. I think always the main thing to note here is that you have to be 12 and up to stay in a terrazza stateroom. So there you go, cabin 7496, Carnival Firenze. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget, subscribe, hit that bell, and you'll get notifications when new videos come out. And don't forget, click on the links to the left and right of me. You can watch playlists, new video suggestions, and more. Any questions? Email me, cruisingsuitguy@gmail.com. And don't forget, I'm a travel agent. Email for help.